in another video. If you guys can't tell by what's behind me, you know where we're at. Back home base, bro. JR built with this thing. Yes, that's right. I wasn't honestly planning on making another video until we got to Texas 2K. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna try to put out at least one video a day while we're there. I'm not even gonna try. I am gonna put out one video a day unless something goes horribly wrong. Like if I don't put out a video, just assume that I somehow ran out onto the track and like a 1,000 horsepower GTR just took me out. But the meat of it all, bro. Shoo, everything came in, bro. I'm honestly, this is sick. These are the heads right here. Julio was actually explaining this all to me. I'm not even gonna lie, I forgot most of it, but I'm gonna have him run you guys through everything again, or you know, as we're going through it, run you guys through it. But these things came out nice, bro. Like just look at that shine right there. Ooh. And the Z01 sign right there. That shit looks badass. Woo. That goes crazy, bro. Yeah, so the entire process on this, he was kind of telling me the do's and don'ts of porting heads and what could go wrong if you try to do too much. But from what I'm getting, we did it perfectly.
Shout out to West Coast.
Big shout out. Yeah, that's cool too. They actually stamped that shit on there. I'm hoping the camera's getting that. Oh yeah, beautiful, bro. Quality work. If you need heads ported, they do a lot of stuff, huh? They do like race cars, off-road stuff. They do a lot of porting. So definitely hit them up if you guys need work done. But I'm gonna stop yapping. I kind of just want to jump into this, bro. I'm gonna let Julio kind of explain what's going on here, and then we're gonna set it up so you guys can kind of just watch him do his thing, slap the heads on, and all of this stuff in between.
So this is nothing too crazy. Obviously, these are the stock rocker arms, stock training kits. We obviously upgrade into the CHE training kit. Get rid of all the needle bearings. I will pull out a needle, one of these training kits so you guys can see all the needle bearings and stuff like that. But I'll pull one of those out and go from there. Obviously, getting the head studs prepared, head bolts prepared. Lifters are getting soaked right now. Obviously, we got Manton push rod, Johnson lifters, ARP hardware. So yeah, let's get going. Obviously the needle bearings that are known to come apart. So this is your factory training kit, and when they come apart, those are all in your engine. Which is no good.
See, you guys are learning something. Like I'm over here learning, you guys are learning with me. And this is free knowledge, bro. Like, you guys aren't even having to pay for this. But if you guys want to, here's how you can pay. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram. Follow JR Built on Instagram. And if you guys have a LT or something, bring it through. Get some quality work done. And that's paying it forward right there. But yeah, super cool. I really appreciate Julio explaining everything, too. Because it's like, personally, I would not be able to explain it on the level or anywhere close to the level that he's explaining it to you guys. So do appreciate the free game on that one. side on, bro. That's looking good. Still gotta torque it. No, but looks super good. Wipe down this side. Gonna start putting stuff on, but dude, you're working quick. You're working very quick. I like it. I genuinely thought we were gonna. Are we gonna be here all night?
No. Almost.
Close to. But yeah, it's looking super good. I still think this is probably like my favorite part of just like the whole block right here. Just love how shiny that is. But yeah, everything's on. Have one more side of the head to throw on right there. Whew. Honestly, I genuinely wish I could explain more to you guys, but I think I'm just enjoying the little time lapse that's going on here. I know you guys are enjoying it too. I'm gonna go ahead and switch up the angle, get this side going, and yeah, let's run it. Quick little food break with some Canes, bro. Let me put y'all on game real quick, bro. If you go to Canes, you're trying to be healthy, you get these, bro. These little naked birds right here, they're just unbreaded chicken. So good. Well, these are a little dry, but if they make them right, they're good. Canes bread, fire. I didn't even wash my hands. I was touching the engine and everything. So, yeah, that's why I have like dirt and shit on my hands. Want some?
Nah.
Yeah, but quick little food break. God, that's dry. I should have definitely used some sauce with that. Quick little food break, but hope y'all have been enjoying this little time lapse though. I think it's coming out really cool. Got both of the heads on, torqued down and everything. And I think it came out really perfect on there, bro. Looks super nice. Everything's well fitted. Double checked everything. Yeah. So, what else we got left to do on this?
We already did CHE training kit. Next, technically, is push rod link check. So that's another process we're gonna do after the heads get on and torqued to ARP specs. So yeah, CHE training kit, rocker arms will be on, and then we'll do push rod link check, and then technically order, if needed, order.
That's what we're doing next. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod one more time and get a little time lapse going. So, hope you guys enjoyed that entire little like time-lapse thing. Tried a couple different angles out. Hopefully that all came out cool, but yeah, dude, we all went crazy on this thing. Heads back up. He was measuring the push rods. Can't show you guys too much of that. That's where the secret sauce comes in, bro. That's where you guys got to come in and pay to get that kind of work done. But yeah, it's looking super good, man. Like, all in all, went crazy, bro. We've been here for like a few hours now, man. We've been here for a few hours. Well, I haven't been working. I've just kind of been sitting around watching Julio do stuff. But that's the beauty of it, man. Like, I think my biggest thing with this is I'm not as mechanically inclined, you know? So it's like, it's fun for me to watch and learn and just ask questions, bro. Like, for a cool minute, I was literally just stuck on a question. I couldn't figure it out. I had Julio explain it to me like 2-3 times over, and I'm like, okay, that makes sense to me now. And I think that's what the big thing is with cars, bro. You don't have to be so much like super mechanically inclined to be a car person. As long as you're willing to learn and just not, you know, follow the pack on what's right and what's wrong. I think that's what makes you a car person. It's being interested in the actual like hobby or whatever you're doing it is. But anyways, enough yapping, bro. Look at this thing. This looks beautiful. So basically, we just got to order a couple more things. Also waiting on the clutch still from Monster. get that sent over. Once we have all that, bro, we're tossing this thing in the car. Tossing it in the car, breaking in the new clutch. And then once that's all done, throwing it on the dyno, bro. And I'm so excited to see the kind of numbers this thing is going to make. I don't know. I really want you guys to comment down below on what you guys think this is going to make, because I want to estimate at least like high 900s, but I'd be happy with I'd be happy with high 800s, bro. Honestly, I just kind of want the car back. I want it running. I lied. I want high 900s. But yeah, I do want the car back and running. I think that's what I'm most excited for. Ideally, Julio said we want it all up and going at least before Texas 2K. I'm assuming it would be more so after Texas 2K, depending on parts and all that. But nonetheless, bro, amazing work. Big shout out, JR Built, man. You guys go drop him a follow on Instagram. I'm telling him to make a YouTube because I think he does some really cool work. And it's fun watching him do it. I find it entertaining. So I'm like, I feel like other people would find it entertaining as well. So yeah, go on his Instagram. Tell him to go make a YouTube as well. I think that would be super cool to watch, you know, him do all the stuff he does. He's super knowledgeable. He takes his time to work on the cars. And not just my car, bro. Any car he has in here, no matter what he's doing, he really does take his time with it. And he has some pretty badass cars in here. Like you guys have seen, we didn't go into like the big part of the shop today, but you guys seen the crazy cars he has coming in and out of here. So yeah, big shout out JR Built again. And yeah, next video is more than likely going to be at Texas 2K. Because from here on out, we have about a week or two left till Texas 2K, and I'm probably not going to be filming any more content unless we have like a big update for the engine, which I'm doubting that we're going to have anything crazy. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. A little bit of a different video today. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all at Texas 2K. Peace.
Another day, I wake up, find my purpose, what's my worth? Sun is out, but you still cloudy. Wipe them tears up off your shirt. Could be worse, so I put in work. All this pain, gotta put it in my verse. Marijuana straight, help put it in reverse. Since I was a baby, felt like I was cursed. Another